Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be making a zucchini bread using my air fry oven. Don't go away. Alright, so I've taken the zucchini, which I've shredded on a box shredder, and just patted them dry. I want to squeeze out as much water as possible so the mixture doesn't come out too wet. For the dry ingredients, I'm using this spice cake mix, Duncan Hines version. We're just going to keep things very simple here. It says to add 3 eggs, 1 cup of water. So I'm just putting everything together into one bowl here, making it real easy. 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Okay. Now I'm also going to add some pumpkin spice, about a teaspoon of that, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Going to get in there and start getting things mixed up before we get the hand blender in, just to make sure we got everything broken up enough. Okay. Okay, good, good. So I'm going to take my hand blender, put it in, put it on low. And you just want to get it to a smooth consistency. Okay, so just finished mixing that up, and it's nice and smooth. Just going to scrape up the sides a little bit here. So now I'm going to be adding some of my own personal touches here. This is the pumpkin spice granola. Got 1 cup of that, 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, and about 2 cups of the shredded zucchini. 1 medium zucchini makes about 2 cups. So let's dump that in there. All right, and just gonna mix it all up so everything is incorporated. Okay. Like that. Okay, looks good. All right, so I get the batter in these 2 containers here. These are just 1 pound, I guess, pound cake containers. I've already preheated my air fry oven at 350 for about 15 minutes just to get it nice and hot in there. So let's open this up. Okay, we're just gonna slide this back in there. And I'm gonna put both of them side by side. Like that. Close it up. Hit the power. I'm going to use the cake setting here for baking. That's 350 for 30 minutes. We're going to get that started. So we're going to test it, make sure we can pull out a toothpick pretty dry coming out. When that comes out, I'll let you know what the total time was, and we'll give it a shot. We'll see how it tastes. All right, so the zucchini bread came out of the air fryer. I let it sit in there for an additional 5 minutes. So it was about 35, 37 minutes. Then I let it completely cool. So it's pretty cool. It's still a little bit tad warm on the inside, but hey, we got to eat this. Either way, we got to give this a shot. All right. So you can see how it came out. I actually got 2 loaves out of this mix. So let's give this a try here. I like the end piece because it's a little crustier for me. I like a little crust on the end. So you can see what that looks like here. It's actually nice. It's nice and moist. I like mine a little toasted. So after I sliced it, I threw it in the air fryer at about 400 degrees for 2 minutes just to toast the edges. Because again, I like mine a little on the crispier side. So let's just break this open here and give this a try. Not bad. Not bad. Sweet. You can taste the pumpkin spice in there. Zucchini just kind of melts right in there. You don't taste the zucchini at all, but you know it's in there. Not bad at all. Good for breakfast. you know, maybe a nice little cup of coffee, a little espresso. You can even add a little sugar glaze on top of it. Really nice, really good. Nice and fluffy and light. It's delicious. Really good. So I hope you enjoy my zucchini bread cake recipe. It's really easy, really good. Give it a try. Let me know if you make one or if you have a different recipe that you use. Let me know in the comments section below. Give me some thumbs up, some likes and shares. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.